Hey guys, it's your girl's birthday eve. So this is going to be my birthday vlog, okay? It's currently 2:39 and like I said, it's my birthday eve and my family is having a cookout, so let's go. I would give y'all an OOTD in my room, but my room is a mess, so we're gonna have to do that once we get there or something. But let's go. Oh yes, and I did my hair by myself. I linked the TikTok below because it ate down. Ooh, my camera foggy. Okay, let's go to the cookout, y'all. My birthday twin! This for YouTube. Say hey. Hey. They got his signs out. Happy birthday. His balloon. Period. I pulled up north, say look like somebody's birthday tomorrow. I've been looking at a mess. Let's see. Hello! Oh, y'all look at how they got it in here. Happy birthday. Okay. Oh.
Do you remember this? Have you ever seen this on TikTok Shop?
Hey y'all.
Show them what Mexican street corn. Popcorn.
It's good. It's good, baby.
It's good, baby.
It's good, baby.
Hey, y'all. BDAY. What? Who he out there with?
How are y'all? Comment down below what y'all doing right now while you watching this video. So, yeah.
It is hot as a witch's coochie.
You look like a man.
She gonna edit all that. Oh, that's not.
What you say?
He said you like a man.
And I said, no, she don't.
No, but in the sense that
I said, no, she don't. And here you are. You about to get your punishment.
but here comes Noah's little surprise, y'all. He's so ghetto. This is style, but this is what he wants. Hey. Look at him now. Bow, 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 bow. If you so smooth. Whoa, 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 whoa. Yeah. That's how. Guys, we got a birthday gift. Woo! Here's your other gift for trip to Jamaica. Okay. Thank you. Hey, he's telling you hard comment. Okay, ask what the picture.
You supposed to keep the camera rolling?
Nope, it's done.
No.
3.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Noah first. Happy birthday, dear Noah. Happy birthday to you. Birthday, dear Layla. Happy birthday to you. How old are you? 24. How old are you? 24. How old are you? The number before 25. Happy birthday to you. And many more. Wait.
I can't hear you.
We are back home and I think I'm about to go out to eat. I don't know where though, but I'm like, I'm gonna put on some makeup because I just feel dread. And I honestly might change clothes too because I want to take some more pictures. I thought that this would be a good time to sit here and reflect on year 23 with you guys because I haven't been able to talk to y'all in a while, and I really need to have a sit down talk with y'all because baby, life just been life, man, okay? But 23 has taught me a lot, and really this latter part of 23, like this month of May, y'all, when I say this has been the craziest month ever, like it's so many life changes. I got a new job. Y'all are getting the exclusive inside scoop. I ain't told nobody this. I literally ain't told nobody this. So got a new job. I'm working at the mayor's office. I'm very excited because I love my city. And I'll be over programs like Mayor's Youth Council, Food Corp, Mayor's Health Council, like other little programmatic stuff. I guess that's how you put it. I don't know if I should put makeup on top of sunburn or not, but we're gonna try it and see and just hope for the best. But no, Moon, if Moon got hit by a car, baby, if you not following me on nothing else, then you probably missed a lot of chapters. But Moon got hit by a car, girl. I think it was April 30th. And got hit by a freaking car. Broke her leg, and I hate to spend $5,000 on the surgery. Matter of fact, I'm gonna link her GoFundMe below if y'all feel inclined to donate, because baby, I was literally like just shocked at her. So that was $5,000, and the crazy part about it is before she got hit by the car, I was just like in my saving area because I'm like, I need a car. Like at this point, I need a reliable car with air. Cause y'all know the stinking Lincoln don't have air. And I'm tired of it. I'm literally tired of being so freaking hot. So, yeah. Girl, she got hit. Baby, that's the car payment right there, $5,000. And I'm like, Lord, I trust you in this. And I trust and believe that you said all things work together for the good of those who love you. Romans 8:28. Yeah, everything works together for your good, and I trust and believe in it, and I'm still trusting and believing it. But girl, I'm just like, I almost broke. Then recently, so she was recovering pretty well. She got her stitches out Monday, I think. Yeah, I want to say Monday she got her stitches out. Why she done re-injured the freaking leg? I don't know if it's re-injured or not, but she was limping on it. So, I'm gonna assume that it's injured. And they told me the first step of, like, the first sign of that metal plate being injured or malfunction is her lifting up her leg. Why the freak she started lifting up her leg the next day? Because she hopped on my sister. She loves my sister real bad, child. But she hopped on my sister, hopped down, and she was limping on that freaking leg. I'm like, oh my freaking goodness gracious. Moon freaking yell. So I was stressed out. The whole house was stressed out because at this point it's like, Kayla's gonna have to pay all this darn money if Moon injured again. And we still don't know. We find out Wednesday when I take her back to Memphis. The gag is, y'all, I start my new job Tuesday. So I'm already asking for a day off. And I know that's gonna look bad. I know. I'm like, Lord, I don't know what you... Mind you, this stuff happened this week. Today is what, Saturday? All this stuff happened before Saturday. So I was like, I don't even want to celebrate my birthday no more. I don't want to celebrate anything. But I'm like, let me get up because God blesses us and he wants us to bask in those blessings. He don't want us to just act like it was nothing, because now I'm finna show you, okay? I just bless you in the middle of your mess. What are you gonna do? Are you still going to use that and be thankful? or are you going to be miserable in the fact that you were blessed but stuff is still going wrong? So I really had to check myself on it. So now I'm trying to force myself to really just celebrate me, because like I said, I'm honestly not in the mood to really, but I am going to. So this is what I'm doing now. I'm putting on my makeup. I'm probably gonna put on like a dress or something. I don't know. Telling y'all, you finna go into a new era, new season, like a shift. Life just get a little cray like what? I was just telling the TikTok squad, the TikTok crew about that. I'm like, bro, when life, if you about to change careers, job, location, elevating anyways, but it's not a job, it's just like a mental change, just know life is gonna get crazy. It is. And you just have to be there to just be like, okay, this is all a part of change. Change is not comfortable. Like, God has implemented a change in your life, it's gonna come with some resistance. So I will name this next chapter navigating the change and embracing the change, period. Evolving. Okay, let me go see what I'm finna wear and I will food y'all later. Guys, we are now out to eat at 122. Okay, I got the wings and a drink.
You supposed to be vlogging.
This your first time here. Let me record y'all. How y'all feeling it right now?
I like the vibe, good music, comfortable.
Yeah, I like the vibe.
I think I'm gonna like the food too.
Y'all gonna love them one. You should got the 122 wings.
She can get some. What kind of hot honey go? We can do like
normal. I got
to take out these
wings. I'm probably gonna get copyright, but cheers.
Y'all never try to talk about this.
So what?
I get y'all never try to talk about this.
Give the world to you, oh my darling. You know I will. Guys, we're about to go bowling now because they kind of kicked us out of the restaurant because they was closing early. They was ready to be outside. Shout out to Kaya. But yeah.
What it was?
Oh.
It's tough.
Oh.
Why? Well, let's go to the skating rink.
They probably closed too.
Call them.
Y'all supposed to close at 12.
They must know about the party or something. Stop. Go. Before you get us so why they close? We were walking up, I started to be like,
I'm sure, but it said availability.
I noticed that most of the crazy me thinking, oh, the
Y'all, the Mexican shop closed.
the bowling.
The bowling alley is closed. So.
Hey, God.
Don't leave me. I'm just playing, bro. I'm just playing with this girl, y'all. I'm literally just playing.
Hey.
Y'all chill out.
This is the one I was talking about, not Kill Soul.
Well,
I love that girl.
you said kill. That girl say she want to kill soul. Okay, y'all. I don't know what we're finna do, but stay tuned. Hey, we at the skating rink now, y'all. When I say it ain't nothing but 12-year-olds in here. Literally, look. What the heck? Y'all need to be in the darn bed. Can I get a 9, please?
What's on this?
KW.
That's insane. Babe, I'm already smelling it. It's okay.
You vlog?
Yeah, we talking about like, hey. She talking about y'all famous too. Hey, K-Will, a glimpse of Kayla. How did this turn out to be such a good birthday? Like, literally, y'all, we skated. What? Look at them. Whoa, wait. She trying to teach her how to backward skate, child. Barely. Look at JJ, y'all. Look at JJ, y'all. JJ, how you feeling?
Feel good, man.
Woo! Whoa! 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 What? 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 Oh! What? Yeah! It's almost our birthday. We got less than 2 hours, guys. So we're gonna skate until 11 o'clock. I'm tired. We only been skating for like 20 minutes max, probably like 15. But hey, what? What you want? What you want? Call him up. Tell him what you want. Call him up. Call him up. Call him up. Call him up. Call him. Hey guys, can y'all see me? Church was good. Now we're at No Way Hotel. I got some. This is what I always get. I forgot what it's called though. Loaded nachos. I literally always get these. Take me a nacho, please. I just brought me my pad and said, oh, what is the case of Feliz Cumpleaños? Feliz Cumpleaños. Oh, Feliz Cumpleaños. That it? Yeah. Period. For my age group. Oh. For my age group, I think. Period. Good morning, guys. It is May 27th, the day after my birthday. I don't know where I left off with you guys, but really, I didn't do much yesterday. I just chilled. After we left the Mexican restaurant, I literally just chilled, cleaned my room, and went to sleep. I woke up, y'all, feeling a little stuffy, so I had to take some medicine, some Sudafed, maximum strength, and I literally just woke back up. It's 1:30 p.m. So let's get up now. We about to go explore, me and the kiddos. So why did I get a long time? But I'm trying to figure out how can I vlog for YouTube and TikTok without, I don't know how to put it, but like I don't be knowing like what to do for YouTube, what to do for TikTok. So I really need to sit down and figure that out, because I know my page is literally about to go up. Like, I'm sorry, let me brush my teeth first. Okay. What I think we're about to do is go to Dollar Tree. We're probably gonna buy some kites or something, and then I'm gonna take them, probably get some slushes or something, and then we're gonna go. We can't go to the park in Greenville because the park here are just so freaking dangerous. So we might go to excuse me, we might go to the levee. And hey y'all, let me show y'all the OOTD. Wait, we're gonna see that little bit. Okay, this is the OOTD. I literally just got on a crop top, some shorts, a purse that ain't zipped, and some tennis shoes. And I'm bringing this bag with me of like, I don't know, stuff, because
I like to bring like little hygiene stuff. This my new thing in year 24.
Girl, she gonna start bringing the aid kit, ain't it?
So period.
Special, what's it called?
This the aunt bag. This the TT bag. Aunt bag. What is it? Aunt bag. TT bag. So yeah. Period. Oh baby, it's hot out here. It ain't as hot as it was though. But you clock that. Which tire low? Oh girl, I ain't finna be able to go nowhere. Why the F you lying? I know you have been lying. Oh my God. Stop the F lying.
When you get done, I mean, you'll see how.
Thank you. Thank you. Shout out to him. So we were, oh, why I'm breathing so hard? We rushing to Walmart now because the tire has a slow leak in it. And I'm probably gonna have to get a new tire. Y'all, look who just ran into at Walmart.
Girl, we were the first one.
Yeah, we got 50-11 kids. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hey, hey, Shy Shy.
That's 4.
Hey.
That's 4.
Grandma's hand. Da 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 da. So well. Grandma's hand. Okay, y'all. The car is fixed. It only costed me, drum roll please, $119 freaking dollars.
Oh, heck
for one tire.
But
we're gonna put sunscreen on them. We are using Blue Lizard sunscreen for the kiddos. So all I want y'all to do is put out 2 fingers like this. This is called the 2-finger sunscreen rule. I always want to put 2 fingers on your. Be careful. Be careful.
2.
Look,
Bryce, you look purple.
Kayla, I love it. Yep, rub it in. You might put it on that side. Your face. This is not for black people. This is not good for black kids, y'all. There ain't much rubbing he can do. Close your eyes. Come on, y'all. Y'all looking like some darn gross sisters. What we supposed to do? Go get me a. We are in the car finally.
She said I love you, but don't trust you, can't change you. I just hope we don't hear how they do. Crash and burn on the shade room.
Dude, look. What's that moving thing under your water? That's giant.
Where? This is
You talking about over there?
my summer bucket list. I'm definitely going fishing.
What is going to be?
But this is stop number 1 of the adventure.
Bryce, look how big it's going.
So all is. Who on a boat?
Me! Oh, I'm talking about like taking pictures. Are you scared of the woods?
Yes.
About us?
Seems like they're satisfied. This is a new adventure for them all. So, dag it. They're in the wilderness. No one's scared.
No, I'm not.
Yes, he is.
I'm just looking around because my eyes started to be getting red. I swear.
You see? I see. I know it's a big dog over there. We trying to be quiet. We trying to be quiet, y'all.
See, look, this is from my ACDC.
I don't know, but we need to get to the car. This ain't the best thing to do with kids, but that was fun. We're back home, and I'm about to shower
In the bed.
and wrap this vlog up.